3G64, shots fired, shots fired. Milepost 108, shots fired. G64, I need assistance. Shots fired, milepost 108.
Phone is still alive. My car was a pacifier.
3G64, shots fired.
1113.
3G64, comm check, shots fired. I'm hitting the arm. Milepost 108.
Comm check 3G64.
3G64, shots fired. Milepost 108, town of Duanesburg. One black male, one white female. Fleeing west to eastbound.
Eastbound, shots fired, mile marker 108. Stage of a black male fleeing the scene there.
Affirmative, they just hijacked the vehicle. It's immobile because it was in a collision. It's a Ford pickup. Get down!
3G Ford pickup fleeing from the scene, hijacked vehicle. 3G64, are you secure?
Negative! Not in custody. I'm hitting the arm. Put your hands up!
14.
Put your hands up! Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle!
Contact 3G22, 3G23.
Get out of the vehicle!
15IG13.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle! Now!
3G22, 3G23.
Get out of the vehicle!
3G22, I need to start I-88 eastbound, mile marker 108. I have a trooper involved shooting.
Be advised, they're still shooting. Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
2-2 and 2-3, believe I am still in an active situation. Shots still being fired.
Get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Shots fired.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up!
No further. The caller stated that he got into an accident on 88 and somebody shot at a trooper.
We're kind of any assistance or anything?
We're going to contact
3G64, Square, I need assistance. Shots fired. Milepost 108. It's gonna be the town of Duanesburg.
Square, any available?
Put your hands up!
98, Duanesburg.
Copy. 172, Gary, copy en route.
Put your hands up!
Crazy.
Primary gauges. Flat 151, no.
Crazy.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
71.
71.
6-4 Scary, be advised I'm hitting the left arm. Put your hands up!
CSV to 641118.
For DOT and also the way.
I know, feature 64 is the wall, just got hit in the right arm.
$3G64, all eastbound traffic is stopped due to a collision. I have the suspects hold down in a vehicle they tried to obtain from the collision, and it's immobile. They're inside actively shooting. Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
1921.
Put your hands up! 3G64 ComSec.
Check 3G64.
The shooter is on foot, fleeing into the wood line, south of I-88. Gonna need aviation and a canine. Put your hands up! Stand up!
South of I-88 at 1119.
He's gonna be wearing, I believe, jean shorts or running shorts and a black hoodie. He's armed with a silver handgun.
He's wearing running shorts and a black hoodie, silver handgun at 1120. SP ComSec, units en route to I-88, eastbound, mile marker 108. For Trooper Albert,
Turn around!
gunman has fled the scene on foot, southbound of the interstate to the wood line. Describing as a black male, wearing running shorts, a black hoodie, armed with a silver handgun.
.64 ComSec. Do I got anybody else coming or what?
Boy, that's affirmative. Multiple units en route to you.
Be advised, I am shot in the right arm. Correction, left arm.
Trooper Albert is shot in the arm. The update is the suspect is a black male wearing running shorts and a black hoodie. Fled southbound of the interstate into the wood line. Is armed with a silver handgun.
Where'd your partner go?
ComSec 3G64, are you able to apply the tourniquet to your arm?
I'll attempt to. I got one in custody right now. Driver still fled.
One of the suspects is in custody at 1121. SP ComSec 5G320.
Keep your hands up. Put them on top of your head if you have to. If you put them down, you will get shot.
5G320, update from last. One suspect is in custody. The driver is armed with a handgun. Fled the scene southbound from the interstate into the wood line.
Body 1 subject in custody.
3G21, you're out at 1122. Advise when seen secure for EMS.
I don't know where he went. He went black male went up and over. I think it's too high for a tourniquet.
Black nails up and over?
Black male, black hoodie.
6-5.
Get your rifle, get your rifle. I think it's too high, man. I don't know. That fucking tractor trailer rear-ended this pickup.
She was looking southbound and at mile marker 108.
We're gonna fucking try. Alright? Ready?
364, Stacy's been shot in the arm. He's trying to apply a tourniquet this time. He got that one suspect in custody. One has fled the scene, his arm.
Oh, man. They didn't fucking lie when they said it hurt.
That's all units responding once again.
Tight, bro.
That's tight, dude.
Eastbound, mile marker 108 at the scene. One suspect fled the scene. Southbound from the interstate.
Hey, let him know tourniquet's on.
Described as a black male wearing a black hoodie and running shorts. His arm is a silver handgun.
I think I hit him. I don't know. I saw him drop like 3 times.
Hill Road, LS 3415.
Which way did he go?
He went
5G, 324.
that sage bush. He went straight up
And
then
1123.
into the woods that way.
On scene, advise when secure for EMS. They are staging.
I'm gonna go back to the carts.
Go, you in, bud? Come on, buddy. You got the tourniquet on. Yeah. Come on. Okay. 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 Here, buddy. You got a tourniquet on, buddy? Get this fucking seat up.
I'm good.
I'm
Any units are 988 and responding. Enter the area to the evidence
All right.
He's good. I got him.
Black male, black hoodie, shorts. He ran literally straight in from where she is. He went straight that way.
Straight in where she
I don't know if I hit him or not, but he dropped like 3 times.
Yeah. Black male, black hoodie, directly in the south of the woodline where the female is currently standing.
You're good.
Respond to exit 24. Exit 24 will meet you there.
Slide in. We're gonna fucking.
Put him in the car. Go. Go with them. Go with them. Stay with them. Okay.
Here, I got it. We're good. You stay here. We're good. Yeah, we're good. We're good.
My car's down there unsecured.
Doesn't care.
Where do they think
Big radio. I already got it.
Dude, you're not going to be able to get back if you're going to Ellis.
Where's the exact? Yeah. What car are you in? 3G22. 3G22.
330.
Alright, Rick. Stay calm.
Get off.
3G22 ComSec. This is Shield 34 and 5, 5G 324. We are en route with Trooper Albert back to exit. We already got a relay point set up. Be advised.
3G40 on scene at
En
1125.
route back to exit 24 with the catch team.
Fucking tourniquet's hurting more than a gunshot.
I'm here through. I see it. Exit 24, you said, right? Yeah.
Okay, police, I copy. You're headed to the point. Exit 24.
Correct. Have EMS there.
All right, so the silver Honda Pilot was what they were driving. And they pulled over and started shooting. And somebody else stopped. And then a pickup truck stopped because he saw
We're attempting to helicopter in
the
here,
trailer
yeah.
rear-ended the pickup. And then the pickup went down the road and they hijacked it from that fucking, the owner. Pulled him out of it.
3309, one in custody, 1126.
Pulled him out of it.
Okay, all right.
And then it was a mobile.
Guys, Super Albert on board, headed to 24, paramedics, turning in supply.